Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to transfer USDT to Telegram wallet. Firstly, open Telegram and search for wallet. If it's your first time, follow the prompts to set up your Telegram wallet. Tap on Add Crypto and choose Buy with Bank Card or P2P Market. Select USDT TON and enter the amount in USDT or your local currency. Complete the payment using your chosen method and your USDT or TON will appear in your Telegram wallet instantly. Now open your Telegram wallet, go to Add Crypto, select External Wallet and choose USDT, then select the network. You will see your wallet address, tap to copy it or scan the QR code. Open your external wallet and pass the copied Telegram wallet address to initiate the USDT transfer. After confirmation, your USDT will appear in your Telegram wallet. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.